Unfucking believable. I guess somebody thought they was doing me a favor, giving me some fucking Maxwell House here, you know, a family member. I mean, yeah, you should be grateful, I guess, for it's a gift. But you know what? I'll show you what I think of this shit. They know I don't drink fucking Maxwell House. I'm a Folgers man. Here's what I think of fucking Maxwell House. You ready? Check this out. Yeah, right against the fucking wall. That shit's going in the trash. Folgers only. No more Maxwell House in this house.